Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Note 20 5G and the price tag and where Samsung went wrong with that price. Now, this phone retails for $1,000 before any discounts or trade-ins or anything like that, and that is quite a high price to pay for a plastic-backed phone with an HD screen and 60 Hz refresh rate. Now, that being said, if you can get this phone for under $500 with a trade-in, I would say it's definitely worth it. The back does not feel that cheap. It doesn't feel that bad, but for $1,000, I don't think it's worth it. Without the QHD Plus screen, the 120 Hz, it's not too bad. The screen is still a very, very good screen. I like the fact that it is flat. A lot of people are getting tired of the curved screens and the palm rejection and that kind of stuff, so the flat screen is definitely nice to have. Like I said, I traded in my S20 and got this for $350, and I'm glad I did because I am a big fan of the S Pen, and I usually have a case on my phone, so the plastic back isn't really that big of a deal. That being said, everything else is great. The Snapdragon 865 Plus is plenty of power with the 8 gigabytes of RAM. Like I said, the screen is very good. Battery life is very good. I haven't had any issues with that over the past 2 days. It's just that plastic back. They had some crappy screen protector on here. You guys saw that when I unboxed it. I don't know what they were thinking with that. It didn't even cover the whole screen. Just take that off right away. I don't know what the point of that was. I'm sure they intended you to use it because they actually had the fingerprint sensor cut out on it, so it's not like a shipping thing. They don't include any headphones or S Pen tips, so you don't get any extra S Pen tips or the little removal tool. You can get headphones for free by contacting Samsung. They'll send them out to you. I don't know why they just didn't put them in the box in the first place. For $1,000, you think you would get that kind of stuff, but you don't. So really the only major flaw on this phone is that $1,000 price tag. Everything else is pretty good. They just need to drop the price a couple $100. But that is my little first impressions on the phone. It's too expensive. It's a good phone, just the price tag needs to drop down a little bit. If you can get this on sale later on once it's been out for a little bit, definitely worth it. Or if you have a device to trade in, again, definitely worth it. I will be doing some more reviews on this after I've had it for a while and stuff like that, as well as some accessory videos, so make sure you guys subscribe down below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.